Mobile broadband is the marketing term for wireless internet access through a portable modem, USB wireless modem, or a tablet, smartphone or other mobile device. The first wireless internet access became available in 1991 as part of the second generation. Generations. In 2011, 90% of the world's population lived in areas with 2G coverage, while 45% lived in areas with 2G and 3G coverage. Mobile broadband uses the spectrum of 225 MHz to 3700 MHz. Mobile broadband is the marketing term for wireless internet access delivered through cellular towers to computers and other digital devices using portable modems. Although broadband has a technical meaning, wireless carrier marketing uses the phrase mobile broadband as a synonym for mobile internet access. Some mobile services allow more than one device to be connected to the internet using a single cellular connection using a process called tethering. The bit rates available with mobile broadband devices support voice and video as well as other data access. Devices that provide mobile broadband to mobile computers include internet access subscriptions are usually sold separately from mobile service subscriptions. Roughly every 10 years, new mobile network technology and infrastructure involving a change in the fundamental nature of the service, non-backwards compatible transmission technology, higher peak data rates, new frequency bands, and/or wider channel frequency bandwidth in Hertz becomes available. These transitions are referred to as generations. The first mobile data services became available during the second generation. The download and upload data rates given above are peak or maximum rates, and end users will typically experience lower data rates. WiMAX was originally developed to deliver fixed wireless service with wireless mobility added in 2005. CDPD, CDMA 2000 FDU, and MBWA are no longer being actively developed. In 2011, 90% of the world's population lived in areas with 2G coverage, while 45% lived in areas with 2G and 3G coverage, and 5% lived in areas with 4G coverage. By 2017, more than 90% of the world's population is expected to have 2G coverage, 85% is expected to have 3G coverage, and 50% will have 4G coverage. A barrier to mobile broadband use is the coverage provided by the mobile service networks. This may mean no mobile network or that service is limited to older and slower mobile broadband technologies. Customers will not always be able to achieve the speeds advertised due to mobile data coverage limitations, including distance to the cell tower. In addition, there are issues with connectivity, network capacity, application quality, and mobile network operators' overall inexperience with data traffic. Peak speeds experienced by users are also often limited by the capabilities of their mobile phone or other mobile device. At the end of 2012, there were estimated to be 6.6 billion mobile network subscriptions worldwide, representing roughly 4.4 billion subscribers. Growth has been around 9% year-on-year. Mobile phone subscriptions were expected to reach 9.3 billion in 2018. At the end of 2012, there were roughly 1.5 billion mobile broadband subscriptions, growing at a 50% year-on-year rate. Mobile broadband subscriptions were expected to reach 6.5 billion in 2018. Mobile data traffic doubled between the end of 2011 and the end of 2012. This traffic growth is and will continue to be driven by large increases in the number of mobile subscriptions and by increases in the average data traffic per subscription due to increases in the number of smartphones being sold, the use of more demanding applications and in particular video, and the availability and deployment of newer 3G and 4G technologies capable of higher data rates. Total mobile broadband traffic was expected to increase by a factor of 12 to roughly 13,000 petabytes by 2018. On average, a mobile laptop generates approximately 7 times more traffic than a smartphone, can be up to 20 times higher than that from non-tethering users, and averages between 7 and 14 times higher. It has also been shown that there are large differences in subscriber and traffic patterns between Different provider networks. Regional markets. Device and user types. Demand from emerging markets has fueled growth in both mobile device and mobile broadband. Subscriptions and use. Lacking a widespread fixed-line infrastructure. Many emerging markets leapfrog developed markets and use mobile broadband technologies to deliver high-speed internet access to the mass market. One common use case of mobile broadband is among the construction industry. In 1995, telecommunication, mobile phone, integrated circuit, and laptop computer manufacturers formed the GSM Association to push for built-in support for mobile broadband technology on notebook computers. The association established a service mark to identify devices that include internet connectivity. Established in early 1998, the Global Third Generation Partnership